A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant turn of events, New York City Mayor Eric Adams finds himself at the center of a heated political battle as a judge has ordered a temporary halt to his controversial plan to allow immigration agents to operate within the notorious Rikers Island jail. This decision comes in light of a lawsuit filed by the Democratic-controlled New York City Council, which accuses Adams of potentially compromising the city's sanctuary laws in exchange for political favors from the Trump administration. The legal dispute revolves around an executive order issued by Mayor Adams that would enable federal immigration authorities, specifically ICE, to establish an office within Rikers Island. This move was intended to assist in investigating serious criminal activities, such as drug trafficking and organized violence that have plagued the city. However, the City Council argues that this collaboration with federal immigration agents undermines the sanctuary protections that have been a hallmark of New York City's policies. Judge Mary Rosado has intervened, prohibiting the city from negotiating or implementing any agreements with federal authorities until a hearing scheduled for April 25th. The lawsuit paints a picture of a mayor prioritizing his political aspirations, especially with his re-election campaign as an independent, over the city's commitment to protecting undocumented immigrants. The council's lawsuit alleges that Adams is engaging in a quid pro quo arrangement with the Trump administration, suggesting that his willingness to allow ICE into Rikers is a trade-off for leniency regarding federal corruption charges against him. This legal battle has reignited discussions about immigration policy and its enforcement within urban settings, particularly in cities that have established themselves as sanctuaries for immigrants. Critics of Adams' plan argue that allowing ICE to operate in Rikers could lead to fear and distrust among immigrant communities, potentially deterring individuals from seeking help or reporting crimes for fear of deportation. Historically, ICE had a presence at Rikers Island until 2014. When New York City implemented sanctuary laws to limit cooperation with immigration enforcement. These laws were designed to protect undocumented individuals from being targeted within the criminal justice system. The recent developments have raised questions about whether Adams' actions represent a departure from these principles, especially as he seeks to navigate the complex political landscape of New York City. In response to the controversy, Adams has stated that he appointed his first deputy mayor, Randy Mastro, to oversee all decisions regarding the potential return of ICE to Rikers, aiming to eliminate any perceived conflicts of interest. Mastro has indicated that discussions with federal officials are ongoing, but the legal challenges ahead could complicate any plans the administration has. As the situation unfolds, it remains to be seen how this legal ruling will impact the broader conversation around immigration policy in New York City and whether it will influence the upcoming elections. The City Council's lawsuit not only challenges the mayor's authority but also serves as a litmus test for the city's commitment to its sanctuary status in the face of federal immigration enforcement efforts. With the April hearing drawing near, all eyes will be on the court's decision and the potential ramifications for both Mayor Adams and the immigrant communities within New York City. This case exemplifies the ongoing tensions between local and federal authorities regarding immigration policy and enforcement, highlighting the complexities that urban leaders face in balancing public safety, political pressures, and the rights of vulnerable populations. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.